Okay, I am going to paint this dresser with some chalk paint. But first you can see that I have a busted drawer. And I'm going to try to fix that first. I started taking a couple of the knobs off. This is what they look like. I'm not going to use those. I'm going to replace them when I find something whenever I get to it. But you can see most of the knobs have broken off. So I moved a couple of years ago and the dresser fell in the moving truck and it just busted the knobs off. So anyways, I am going to paint this with chalk paint. This will be my first time using chalk paint and it'll be my first attempt. I just want to do one coat. It says that I could do one coat. Where's the paint at? Here it is. I will be using Rustoleum chalked age gray. I got that from Menards. I think it was about 22 bucks. And I will check back in with you guys probably when I start the process. All right.